Kombucha is full of probiotics. You want something healthy in addition to your cocktail? This really kind of fits the bill. Hey everyone, I'm Laura Klein, co-founder of organicauthority.com, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Kombucha Spritzer. Kombucha has really hit the mainstream. Like years ago, kombucha was fringe. All you found it was in like a natural grocer, like health food store, and everyone thought it was freaking weird. Probably myself included. But when you have really good kombucha, it's really good. The light effervescence of it is really delicious. We decided to mix things up a bit and make a kombucha spritzer. And we kind of want something sparkly and effervescent. So here we go. So the ingredients are really simple in this. All you need is 1 bottle of your favorite white wine or rosé, whichever you prefer, preferably something dry. I like it on the really dry side. I don't like it sweet. 1 bottle, 16 ounces of kombucha. Again, you can use your favorite flavor. I happen to really like Guava Goddess. It has like this really tart flavor, which I love. And that's really it. I have raspberries to garnish. We're gonna add just a little kind of like pinch, little squeeze of lemon, and we're gonna pour it over ice. And we can also garnish with a little bit of mint. So here we go. So we're gonna add 1 bottle of white wine to our pitcher. So this happens to be a Chenin Blanc. It's really nice. It's light and summery. It's kind of minerally. It's really delicious. It happens to be one of my favorites. Okay, so we're gonna add this bottle of kombucha here. I also really love the color of the kombucha. It's just really pretty. And we like pretty things here. So I've got my wine glass here, and we're gonna add some ice. Whoops, runaway ice. That's okay, we'll pick it up later. And I like to fill it all the way up. I happen to like to drink it really cold. You can drink it however you want. You don't even need to add ice if you don't want to. Do what makes you happy. The other really fun part about this drink is that kombucha is full of probiotics. So, if you're out, you're kind of, in the sun, or you feel like you want something healthy in addition to your cocktail, like this really kind of fits the bill. You're having a little wine, having a little fun, have a little kombucha, you've got a little effervescent, and it's really delicious. I'm gonna add a little squeeze of lemon. All you need is a little bit. You can skip it. You can use lime if you love lime. I happen to really like raspberries, so I'm gonna just float a few raspberries in here, and it just looks really pretty. I mean, this is perfect for like a brunch, Mother's Day brunch. You're having your girlfriends over. I mean, who doesn't want to sip this? I'm gonna add a little mint, and that's it, folks. Your kombucha spritzer. This is really delicious. So let's try it. Yep, that's it. Super simple, easy. All you need are just these few ingredients, and that's it. If you want the full recipe, go to organicauthority.com and sign up for our newsletter. And remember to like and subscribe right here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Cheers.